We are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check screen time on OnePlus phone. So that's a very simple and straightforward process. You just gotta launch the Settings app, then enter the Digital Wellbeing and Parental Control section, and in here you'll be able to see how much screen time you have today, or how much screen time you had for any other given period of time. If you would like to see more detailed breakdown, just tap over here, and as you can see, you'll be provided with the graph as well as individual screen time usage for individual apps. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.